Hi guys, my name is Blair from Beautiful Hair by Blair on IG, and today I'm coming to you real natural. I'm coming to you with pre-washed hair. It needs to get done because I'm trying a new product today. So if you guys haven't seen my TikTok where I got a keratin treatment and I just feel like it totally destroyed my curls, and I got it on the premise thinking that it was a temporary straightening system. From what I've been hearing from my clients who get the keratin, they say it does wash out, blah blah blah, but I got the highest strength, 12%. And I think I lost majority of my curl pattern. It's slowly coming back with using like regular shampoo and everything. But when I go do my 2-strand twist, it's not really like holding the curl like it should and it used to. So I've been doing some research and I found this product, K18. It said it's supposed to reverse damage. I'm testing it to see if it will reverse not damage from a keratin, but just damage from me blowing it out for braids for wigs, and also hopefully it'll kind of reverse what the keratin did. Now I'm not saying the keratin did any kind of damage at all. It did what it was supposed to do, but it wasn't like in line with my goals personally. I just kind of wanted to get rid of the frizz, so I should have used probably the lesser one, maybe the 5% keratin. Lesson learned, but that's the past. We can't change that. So I got a professional molecular masked hair mist, and I got the leave-in molecular hair repair hair mask. So I got both of them. Normally you would use this before colors, perms, keratins, any kind of chemical things that you're doing to your hair to help your hair go back to, they say, a more normal state or healthier states. And then you would put the chemical on there so that it's a more healthy state before the chemicals, if that makes sense. But today we're going to be using the leave-in molecular mask because I'm not doing any chemicals today. I will be trying this on clients, and the YouTube videos and Instagram videos and all these videos that I've seen, it seems to be working really well with chemical services. So the next time I get a chemical service, I'm going to try this treatment. I have a few curly customers coming in, and we are going to be using the mask. So I will show you guys either on my TikTok or my Instagram before and after, and the links to my TikTok and Instagram will be below in the description. Okay, so first step to getting this hair on track, and I'm so nervous because I really want this to work, and I hope it does. And it's supposed to be good, like 3 or 4 uses. So I will do this video, show you guys an after, and I'm definitely going to show you like part 2 videos and see how, if my curl pattern is coming back. But right now it's a complete mess. So step 1 is going to be washing my hair with a clarifying shampoo. We want to get all the oils out, all the impurities, everything out, and just have like a squeaky clean canvas, fresh start. So I'm going to be washing my hair. I'm going to show you what shampoo I use, which I get from the dollar store because I'm not one of those people that always have to use professional products. To me, it's about the quality and the need at the time rather than always using professional products, because I feel like some professional products are just expensive because of the name. So clarifying shampoo is one of them. I don't think you need a name brand, so I got it from the dollar store. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. This is what I use for clarifying shampoo. This is my go-to for clarifying shampoo. It's VO5. It's the green one. It says clarifying shampoo. All the other colors, they're not clarifying. They may be like moisturizing or volumizing or whatever, but I use this on my wigs. Like when I get it straight from my vendor, I give it a good wash first, and then I always do a purple shampoo, which is another one. You don't really need a name brand for that or to get a high quality purple shampoo. But if you need like a deeply pigmented purple shampoo, I do recommend a name brand. All right, off topic a little bit, but I'm going to wash my hair now. I'm going to wash it over the sink. So I'm going to show you guys how I wash my hair and the whole process from beginning to end. So I will be back, or I'm going to head to the sink. Okay guys, welcome to my lovely kitchen sink. The first thing you want to do when you're washing hair is to absolutely drench the hair and get it wet. You may have to open it up and get the water really in there. After that, you're going to take a dollop of the VO5 clarifying shampoo. You can start at the end, you can start at the top. I started at the bottom. I've been using this to try to wash out the keratin for several months now and work my way up to my scalp.
Traditionally, you want to only use shampoo on your scalp and the roots of your hair. But we're doing something different. We're doing the K18 treatment. I use this little scrubby brush thing and it helps a lot.
Okay, loves, I am back from the sink. I just want to make sure you want to use a microfiber towel. If you don't have one, I actually use my son's old baby towel or a t-shirt if you need. Now comes the most daunting part of this detangling. If your hair gets very, very detangled like mine, if you're going to do a treatment like this, what you can do is condition your hair first when it's dirty and then clarify and wash it. This way you condition it, detangle it, and then you just kind of clarify it. I didn't do that this time, which I should have known from last time to do that, but let's see how it goes. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, the best way to deal with curly, thick hair is to take it one section at a time and breathe. Okay, so number one thing is I use gloves with my hair, and I'm going to explain why I use gloves with my hair. My hair is extremely coarse, and when I work on it for long periods of time, my fingertips actually start to hurt. And especially when I do the twists, like they would get raw and my nails would actually end up splitting. I know, and I'm not even exaggerating. So we're going to start with the mask. I'm hoping that this will help it detangle a little bit, because you're not supposed to put any products, no conditioner, no leave-in, nothing, straight up after the wash. Okay, so I got the small size. It's just to try it. If I love it, I'll get the bigger size. And they say less is best. So let's start working it in. I'm going to try to always start detangling at the bottom. Actually, from here, it's not really that bad. Another reason why I use gloves, I'm going to share with you guys, is I feel like a lot of the products, especially if it's a cream product or oil product, it will get absorbed in your skin. I don't want it absorbed in my skin. I want most of it absorbed in my hair. So if it's too busy being absorbed in my skin, how can it get in my hair, you know? So I want 100% absorption. So I did 2 pumps, and we're going to work in this little section that I have going on here. It smells really great. I love the way that it smells, and it's definitely helping with the detangling a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to do this section. I think I need to do about 2 pumps maybe per section. And you see how the oil is literally on top of the gloves? It's not going in my skin. My skin is very dry. I do wash my hands a lot due to my other career. So my hands are dry. It will literally suck up all the moisture, all the product, all the oil in it. And that needs to be in my dry hair, not my hands. So I'm going to finish doing all 4 quadrants, and I will get back to you. Okay guys, so my hair is detangled. I put the K18 in my hair, and as naughty as it may look, it is detangled. This is how much shedding that I got from this wash, this is pretty good. I usually have a lot more shedding. This is how much I get. So I get a lot because I wash my hair every 2 to 4 weeks. I do not wash my hair every other day. And in all fairness, if you had hair like mine, you'd probably wash it that often too. It just doesn't need. Is when I put a nice style in it to make it last, it just doesn't need to be washed that often. But after the K18, this is what it looks like. After the K18, you want to wait 4 minutes before you put any other product in your hair. Okay? So we're going to give it 4 minutes time, and I'm going to come back, and hopefully I'll have my hair under control. Right now, I just feel like doing a big chop, to be honest. Like, I'm just so over it. But I'm going to put this in some kind of style, and I'm going to show you, and I'll be right back, okay? Bye. Hey guys, so I'm back from styling my hair, and it's mostly dry, so it's looking pretty good. There are like these 2 stubborn pieces right here and right here, 3 little pieces that refuse to curl like the rest of the hair for some reason. So I'm either going to just clip them or keep trying the K18 to see if it'll bounce back. This is the back of my hair. Though my curls are coming back, they are thriving. I want them to be a little bit more curly. My hair is definitely a lot more defined than this. I may have to clip some of the ends, but definitely a little bit more defined than this, but it's getting there. It's definitely getting there. You can actually see different curl texture as you go down. Like this is more of a spiral and this is more skinny up here. That's just from the keratin that I put in my hair, the keratin treatment. And it might be a little bit from the blowouts and the braid downs that I do for wigs. So I'm hoping to do an update. I'm going to do the treatment about 3 to 4 more times is what they suggest. And hopefully I'll have more curlier curls. One more thing before you go. I use this with my hair. This stuff is amazing. I've used other curl creams. This is a leave-in conditioner repair cream. This stuff holds my curls so good. As long as I'm spraying it down and it's like wet while I'm putting it in and I'm like drenching my curls in it, my curls should stay like this for 2 weeks. So all right, so like I was saying, I'll keep you guys updated. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Beautiful Hair by Blair. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.